Hi, I'm Gary Rogowski, director of the Northwest Woodworking Studio in the hills above Lyle, Washington in the Columbia River Gorge. But on October 10th through 12th, I'll be in Des Moines, Iowa at the Woodworking in America show. I hope you'll join us there. My seminar is going to be on the marvels of the hand plane. I think they're time savers in the shop. They do so much work for me, and I'll be talking about those. I'll also be doing a couple of brief chats on a few topics that I love. Sharpen your scraper, guaranteed. I have the method. And my 5-minute dovetail exercise. There's a code that you can use to get 15% off your tickets and come to the whole shebang, the event, the tour beforehand on Thursday, the cocktail party on Friday, all of the seminars. Woodsmith.com, use the code Gary for 15% off. I hope to see you there.